So I'll just open that. And I've also got the web version of the app open. So What3words basically uses 3 words to show a location as a grid on a map. So if you look at the screen, there's a square under my cursor, and what What3words does is wherever you click on a location, it gives you 3 words which can be used to get to that location. So let's say I search for Cardiff Castle. So say I want to tell someone how to get to Cardiff Castle. I would search for the location, and then if I put a square in the middle of Cardiff Castle, that gives me 3 words: trio, wheels and chairs. So then you could tell the recipient those 3 words, and if my phone will connect, I'll look it up on the phone. So if I go onto my phone and put in those 3 words in their search field, let's see. So trio, wheels, chairs, and it comes up with Cardiff Castle. And then I could click navigate, and I would use Google Maps to navigate, and it will make a route to Cardiff Castle. And if I click start,
head northeast on Amesbury Road towards Waterloo Road, then turn right onto Waterloo Road.
So once I've clicked start, it will start the navigation process and it will take me there. So where this really comes in handy is for rural locations. So if you're out in the middle of nowhere, it can be almost impossible to describe where you are to someone. And obviously someone could just get lost or have some other kind of problem. So it's a really good way because you can just choose a location, any location in a field somewhere if you need to, and it will still generate 3 words that you can navigate to. So that is really handy. Obviously you can save locations. Look with this.
Head west towards Blenheim Road, then turn right onto Blenheim Road.
Yeah, you can save locations and all the rest of it. So it's a very simple idea that works well for rural locations especially.